Do you think you know what life insurance is? Well, by the end of this video, we're going to give you all the facts so that you can make an informed decision before you sign on the dotted line. Welcome back to Navigate Your Wealth. My name is Karen Stawicki.
And I'm Samantha Irish. For the best advice on how to use both life insurance and annuities to create successful retirements, subscribe to our channel. And then hit the notifications bell to be notified every time we upload new videos. Let's get to it.
Okay, so what is life insurance? Life insurance is basically a contract between yourself and an insurance company. You pay a premium and they provide what's called the death benefit. So if you die prematurely, that death benefit is going to protect your family.
But let's talk about life insurance a little bit, because what Mom just said is you have to die for the death benefit to go to your family. So why would you want something that you have to die to benefit from? Well, the purpose of life insurance is actually twofold. The first type of insurance, it's just an exchange for a death benefit in case you go too soon. But there's a second type of insurance that has cash value that builds within the policy, and you can actually use it during your life. So now you don't have to die to benefit.
I like that.
Right? I mean, we all want the plan that you don't have to die for.
So you were just saying there's different types of insurance. Yeah. And so I want to be very clear about that. There's term insurance and there's permanent insurance. And just like term insurance says, it's for a term of time. So a lot of people will buy a 10-year, 20-year, 30-year policy because they're trying to protect their kids to get through school or some notion that has a specified period of time. Permanent insurance, on the other hand, is there for your entire life. Now, we don't know what day we're dying, but there is a known statistic that 1 in 1 of us are going to die. So there's a 100% chance that we're all going to die. Yeah. We just don't know what day. So permanent insurance is there for your entire life. But there's something special that comes with that permanent insurance, and you were just talking about that, and that's the cash value.
Right. Leave a comment in the section below and let us know what type of life insurance you currently have, or which type of life insurance you may be interested in adding to your portfolio. After this video, check out the video that we created, When Should I Get a Life Insurance Policy?, to learn when is the best time for you to get started. Okay, the link is in the description below.
So the question we get a lot is, why should I even own a life insurance policy? The obvious answer is to protect your family, right? Security first. But that is not the only reason. Did you know that cash value life insurance actually has a better return, significantly better, than banks are paying right now? You know, banks are paying 0.0. But the other thing is that you can get tax-free income. The best part of life insurance is honestly not the death benefit. The best part of life insurance are all the living benefits. In addition to cash value being tax-free, it also provides the ability for long-term care to cover things that chronic and critical illnesses may otherwise be too costly to protect otherwise.
That's awesome. I mean, you're learning what life insurance is. We're telling you when you should get it and how you should get it. But the question that you may be asking yourself now is, okay, but I need a real life example. Does this even work? And we have a client who is just a few years from retirement. But when he was 30 years old, he sat down with Mom and said, okay, what's the best investment that I could have? And she talked him into life insurance at 30. And even though he rolled his eyes, he annually contributed to his policy year after year, knowing that the death benefit wasn't what he really wanted. What he really wanted was access to tax-free income when he retired. See, this client wanted to retire early. He wanted to retire at 55. It was his goal from the very first meeting. The nice thing about retiring at 55 is that you have a long time to live after your last day in the office. The negative thing about retiring at 55 is you're very limited because you don't always have access to your IRAs or TSPs that you may have been contributing to.
A few years till Social Security.
You've got a few more years till Social Security. So for this client, utilizing his cash value in his life insurance policy is going to help him bridge that gap. Exactly. He's going to be able to take a loan from his policy, utilizing the living benefits that we talked about, and be able to supplement his income for retirement until he gets to that next phase when he can turn the other income on.
Well, hopefully that information was useful to everyone. If you'd like to get a life insurance policy yourself for maximum tax-free income, go ahead and click on the link below to apply to become our client.
And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if what you thought to be true turned out not to be, when would you want to know it? Bye.
Thanks for watching.